What's the meaning of atop? Atop. Atop.
Atop. Atop. Atop is a preposition that means on top of or situated on the highest part of something. It implies a position of elevation or height. When used figuratively, it can denote a sense of mastery or control over a situation or circumstance. For example, a crown sits atop a king's head, and a statue stands atop a pedestal. The word atop can also be used in a more abstract sense, such as atop the corporate ladder, implying the highest level of success and achievement in a particular industry or field.